From the first step through the front door, it is clear this is no ordinary townhouse. With pops of charm, playful touches, and just the right amount of wow, this home was made for good vibes and spontaneous get-togethers. Your home search stops right here at 156 Paradas Place, located in World Golf Village.
The things that I would do under the water, I'm sinking further down, floating on nothing, I'm nothing. Arms are wide open, I'm calling out your name, sitting and waiting, I'm waiting.
For your private tour, contact me, Dori Nugent, with the Newcomer Group.